Hi friends, essential oils are miraculous oils. They have strong chemicals that provide health and beauty benefits with low risk of side effects. That's why they have been traditionally used in Ayurveda, Chinese medicines, herbal treatments and other alternative therapies. There is a separate department of holistic treatment which uses plant extracts like essential oils to promote health and well-being. Different essential oils have different properties. When it comes to the hair growth and hair regrowth, there are particularly few essential oils that are very beneficial. I have carefully picked up few essential oils, the best of best oils that can promote hair growth and hair thickness.
Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is a great choice for hair growth and hair thickness because it can repair, stimulate and regulate hair cells. According to a study conducted, rosemary oil performed similar to the minoxidil in increasing the hair count with the benefit of less scalp itching. Also, multiple private studies proved that rosemary oil promotes hair growth. Here are the pictures of a person who used rosemary oil massaging for 2 years. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is also super effective for hair growth and hair regrowth. Peppermint oil promotes nutrient circulation to the hair follicles and increases growth phase. One study on mice proved that peppermint oil promoted hair growth more effectively than saline, jojoba and minoxidil. Look at this. This is the hair growth provided by peppermint oil in 4 weeks time when compared to minoxidil, jojoba oil and saline solution. Lavender oil. Lavender oil has properties to generate new cells and reduce stress. Based on one animal study, lavender oil generated faster hair growth. This graph shows that in first week there is no much improvement, but in 3 weeks there is a good improvement, and in 4 weeks lavender oil produced a lot of hair growth. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has powerful cleansing, antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. When used topically, it can help unclog hair follicles and increase hair growth. It also helps a lot in treating dandruff and itchy scalp.
It is very important to note that we should not use essential oils directly on the scalp or skin. They may irritate the skin and can cause minor burns. So we must always use essential oils diluted. Let us see how to make a perfect blend of essential oils to promote hair growth and hair regrowth, increase hair thickness and density, get rid of dandruff and promote healthy scalp. First of all, we need carrier oil. Carrier oil is any neutral oil that is used to dilute the essential oils. Some of the good carrier oils are coconut oil, sweet almond oil, olive oil, jojoba oil and sesame oil. You can pick any carrier oil you like to. I am choosing olive oil because it stays liquid at room temperature too. Take around 120 ml of olive oil. 120 ml is around a half cup of olive oil. Based on practical studies and my research, dilution of 1.5% to 2% is truly effective and works perfectly for hair growth, hair stimulation and hair manageability. I have calculated it and calibrated it so well. So in our case, we have 120 ml of carrier oil, which is around half cup. So we need exactly in total 40 drops of essential oil.
Now let's start with rosemary oil. Add 12 drops of rosemary oil. If you add 1 or 2 drops extra by mistake, it is totally fine. Now take lavender oil. We are adding 12 drops of lavender oil. Lavender oil helps to generate new hair cells. Take peppermint oil. Add just 10 drops of peppermint oil. Peppermint is little strong, so we just need to add 10 drops. Finally, take tea tree oil and add 6 drops of tea tree oil. The tea tree oil helps to balance oil secretion in the scalp. That's all. Our magical mix of essential oils is ready. All the essential oils we used in this are carefully calibrated and selected especially for hair growth and hair thickness. These are researched and proved to promote hair growth just like minoxidil without any side effects. Store this into a glass bottle Don't use plastic bottle, use only glass or ceramic. This is our final magical mix. Let's see the summary of exact ratio of oils we have used. We have taken 120 ml or half cup of carrier oil. We have added 12 drops of rosemary oil, 12 drops of lavender oil, 10 drops of peppermint oil, and finally 6 drops of tea tree oil. Use a dropper to pick this oil and apply it on the scalp. Gently massage it with fingertips for about 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on for 2 hours or overnight. You can leave it and let it dry or wash away with shampoo in the morning. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. Thank you.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.